Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make this delicious tomato based Persian stew using chicken. If you'd like to see how I make it, then keep on watching. So first I've heated 2 tablespoons of oil into a saucepan, followed by 1 large Spanish onion chopped. Now to the pot I'm adding in my chicken legs just so that they can brown gently. The reason why I've kept the skin on is because the fat from the outside creates extra flavour into the dish. So you'll notice that in this recipe there aren't that many ingredients, hence why it is very important to use quality spices. So first I'm adding in some turmeric, that's 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and then I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. After 8 minutes, you'll see that the chicken has browned significantly, and then you will add your stock followed by some canned tomatoes. Then you can add in your yellow split peas. Some people toast them first. I did that today, but I didn't really notice a difference, so that's completely up to you. And please don't forget to soak your yellow split peas overnight. Then I add in 2 dried limes that have been soaking in hot water for an hour. So here are all of the spices I'll be using today, and they will be listed at the beginning of the video if you want to just go back and have a look there. Here I'm adding in about 2.5 teaspoons of Himalayan pink salt. Bring to a boil and then simmer for about 1 hour and 40 minutes. Now you can see that the sauce has reduced and the chicken falls away from the bone. And to finish off the dish, I'm frying some potato in oil, and then once golden brown, I allow the tissue to absorb the oil and I add it on top of the dish, followed by some parsley to garnish. Thank you for watching this recipe. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.